How to take off PS5 plates. Before you start, make sure your PS5 is completely powered off and unplugged from any cables. Set it on a clean, flat surface with enough room to work, and remember that this process might affect your warranty, so proceed with caution. Begin by examining the seam where the plates meet. Gently grip the edge of the front plate and slowly lift it away from the console. You should feel a slight release as the plate comes off easily due to the design of the PS5. If you need to remove the rear plate as well, follow the same careful technique by gently sliding it off. Once you've accessed the interior for cleaning or upgrades, simply reverse the process to reassemble your PS5. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.